After capturing 22 lionfish on our first dive, we head back into the ocean on a search for more. But the turquoise seas of St. Croix holds an unexpected surprise. The discovery of a suitcase under the sea. How did it get here? And most importantly, what's inside? Join me, Salty Locs, on a journey into the unknown as I unravel the mystery of the suitcase. We entered the ocean just a few miles north of our previous dive. Dive 1 unraveled a mess of lionfish that we tamed, and now we are on the hunt for more. It's a beautiful day made just for diving. The sun is shining and not a wave in sight. It's my first time at this dive site, so I'm not sure what to expect, but I'm always up for an adventure. I check the usual spots for lionfish, always looking up and under. Not long into the dive, my eye catches a glimpse of something unusual. As I swim closer, I see what looks like a suitcase. With a bit of confusion and lots of curiosity, it's time to reveal what lies within. But before we do that, did you know that lionfish are an invasive species to the areas of the Atlantic Ocean, Gulf of Mexico, in the Caribbean, and most recently in the Mediterranean Sea? Lionfish are originally from the Indo-Pacific and have no natural predators in their invasive region. They are an incredibly voracious predator that never seem to get their fill when it comes to their diet of native reef fish and can quickly decimate the native fish population on any reef they choose to occupy. They become sexually mature in just 1 year, and a female lionfish can spawn up to 50,000 eggs literally every 3 to 4 days. That is an estimated 2 million eggs every year. They are the ultimate invasive species. Subscribe to the channel to learn more. Anyway, back to this suitcase. Give me a second while I look around to make sure there isn't anything else lurking nearby. The suitcase is filled with sports cards. Saltwater isn't exactly the friendliest element to most items, and definitely not to those primarily made of paper. Clearly, whoever this luggage belonged to must have treasured their collection. The majority of the cards are freestanding, but some of them are encased in plastic. I know that if I stir it up too much, they will probably turn to mush. So I have to carefully sift through the bag in search of anything that can be rescued or recovered. Inside the pocket, I find a picture frame wrapped in a t-shirt. Both items show signs that they may have been in a fire. Now I'm even more curious. Saved from a fire? Perhaps the only thing that could be saved in haste to get to safety. I wonder what's the story behind it all. Who are these people? And why is this suitcase lying at the bottom of the ocean? As time passes, each swipe creates a stir. I'm gonna have to be quick. Since I haven't found any lionfish yet, I decide to use the zookeeper for safekeeping of the cards I'm able to extract. It really is multifunctional. Let's explore the reef a bit before heading back in. Diving into the vibrant waters of the Caribbean, you'll encounter a stunning array of marine life, each contributing to the colorful tapestry of the reef ecosystem. As you glide through the crystal clear waters, you might come across the black bar soldierfish, a nocturnal species that seeks shelter in crevices and caves during the day. The elegant spot-fin butterfly fish gracefully swims among the coral formation. These small oval-shaped fish sport striking yellow bodies accented with black markings and distinctive spot-like patterns near their fins. Every dive is a lionfish dive, so I'm constantly checking out the usual hiding spots, but there's no sign of them here. You'll likely encounter the enchanting blue chromis, a small but dazzling fish that congregates in large schools, shimmering like living jewels in the sunlight. Their synchronized movements and vibrant colors make them a highlight of any dive, showcasing the beauty of life beneath the waves. And let's not forget about the wide array of barrel sponges which dot the reef, providing shelter and sustenance for a variety of marine organisms. The giant barrel sponge is the largest species of sponge found growing on the Caribbean coral reefs. It is common at depths greater than 10 meters down to 120 meters and can reach a diameter of 1.8 meters. It is typically brownish red to brownish gray in color, with a hard or stony texture. They serve as important filter feeders, helping to maintain water quality and clarity within the reef ecosystem. Keep your eyes peeled for the spiny lobster, a fascinating crustacean that inhabits rocky ledges and coral outcroppings. With their spiny carapace and long, slender antennae, these creatures blend seamlessly into their surroundings, often remaining hidden from view until they emerge under the cover of darkness to forage for food along the ocean floor. Each of these species plays a vital role in the delicate balance of life within the Caribbean reef, contributing to its beauty and biodiversity in their own unique ways. What secrets lie within the confines of the ocean? And what adventures await those bold enough to explore its depths? So you guys saw what I found. Suitcase full of sports card collectibles, and I saved what I could. The ones that are in plastic, I can't take them out because I only took out 2 and let it dry, but I feel like all the others would probably get destroyed even worse if I tried to take them out of their casing. So I left them in their casing. I'm going to show you guys what I have, what I salvaged. Everything else was just paper. It didn't have any plastic on it, so they pretty much got destroyed. I mean, they've been sitting in the water, so you know how that goes. Drop a like, share this video with a friend, and make sure you are subscribed because trust me, you don't want to miss anything. Let's jump into the next one. Stay salty, my friends.